These 6 standing exercises are perfect to torch your side fat and tighten your lower abs, all without any equipment or getting on the floor. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are excellent to get your blood flowing and raise your heart rate. This is a great exercise to get warmed up, as this move wakes up your core, activates your obliques, and gets your body ready to burn fat. This full-body cardio exercise boosts metabolism, improves circulation, and preps your abs for work. Stand upright and jump your feet out to the sides while raising your hands overhead. Jump back into the starting position and repeat for 45 seconds. Keep your core tight throughout for best results. Exercise 2. Standing side crunches. Standing side crunches strengthens the obliques and improves side core definition. Great for trimming those love handles. Lift your knee up towards your elbow, engaging your obliques every time you crunch. Keep your core tight and controlled. Do this for 45 seconds while alternating between your left and right side. Exercise 3. Standing knee to elbow twist. This combo exercise engages your obliques, lower abs, and hip flexors. Twist from your torso, bringing one knee up to meet the opposite elbow. Stay tall and engage your core with every twist. Repeat on the opposite side and do this for 45 seconds. This move builds rotational strength, targets lower abs and obliques, and enhances core mobility. Exercise 4. Standing abs twist. Standing abs twists are a great dynamic move that engages your entire core, especially your obliques and lower abs, while also improving coordination and rotational strength. Place your hands together in front of you and twist side to side using your core. Keep your hips facing forward. The movement comes from your waist. Engages the entire core, improves rotational power, and tones the obliques while tightening your waistline. Exercise 5. Side to side standing crunches. This move targets your love handles, and it's great for toning your waist. Lean side to side, crunching your obliques while keeping your core tight. Think about squeezing your side muscles as you move. Repeat by alternating from side to side for 45 seconds. Targets the obliques deeply and helps shape your waistline. Exercise 6. Standing crossbody toe touch. This full-range move hits your lower abs and obliques while improving flexibility. Stand tall and reach across your body to touch your opposite toe while lifting your leg in front of you. Lower back down and repeat with the opposite leg. Do this for 45 seconds. This move engages the entire core, enhances coordination, and burns calories effectively. That's one full round. Complete 3 rounds total, resting 60 seconds between rounds. No rest between exercises. If you want a challenge, shorten your rest or add a 4th round for an intense lower abs burn. Take a deep breath. That's your standing oblique and lower abs workout done. Repeat this routine 2 to 3 times a week for a stronger, tighter core.